Hey, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're going to be barbecuing a bone-in pork loin. It's going to be great. All right, first things first, I want to give a shout out to my boy Mike at Mag Woodworks. He made this awesome cutting board here. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm going to put his Instagram page, the link to it, down below. Check him out. Anyway, so here we go. We got this roast over here. It's a 4.5 pound bone-in pork loin. And this is what it looks like. All right, you can see it doesn't have a lot of fat on it, so I'm not going to really take any of it off. The only thing I did to it so far was I didn't French it, which you can do with this, but I made little slits in between the bones. This way I know where to cut, and it's going to give it some nice good separation. But anyway, we're going to season this up. So today I am using this rub that I saw a couple weeks back. I thought it was really cool. It's a Memphis style rub. Craig at Behind the Garage Barbecue did it. It's called a Miss Dixie's Memphis style rub. I used it on some chicken. It was awesome. The thighs came out so good. So I decided to give it a try on pork, because if it's good on chicken, it's definitely going to be good on pork. And me, I'm a big fan of Memphis style rubs. I think they're great. Anyway, I'm going to put his page down below too. Check him out if you don't know who he is just a wizard on the barbecue. He makes some awesome wings, awesome barbecue, period. But we're just gonna start seasoning this up. Put a nice coating on the whole thing. I'm gonna get all the sides here. We're going to get the bones. I'm going to make sure the bottom is good too. That looks good. That looks like a nicely seasoned pork loin right here. All right, that's it. Yep, I got it all. So one thing you can do with this is you can tie it up with some butcher twine. I'm elected not to. I'm just going to cook it just like this, standing up just like this. I'm going to be putting it on a Smoky Mountain today. However, this is going to chill in the fridge right now for a little while. So I'm not going to get to cooking this until a couple hours from now. So that's going to allow all that nice flavor to kind of absorb into the meat. It's going to be beautiful. All right, guys, today doing something different than I normally do. I'm trying out these fire cups by the Tiger McCool Barbecue Company. Gonna give this a try here. So this is the small cup. They have a larger one also. I elected to go with the small because that's all I think I'm gonna need. This is supposed to be all natural. This is the first time I'm using this. I have no idea what it's going to be like. I saw some videos on it and it looked pretty cool. But as you can see, it starts right up. Instant flame. So far so good, I'm happy. Let's put the chimney on top. Let that go. We're using the Smoky Mountain today. Alright guys, so put the roast on. I'm running a probe. I'm going to pull it at 140. 140. At that time, I'm going to cover it up, bring it inside, let it chill out for about a half hour. Alright guys, our meat's been resting for about a half hour. I'm ready to cut into this. It smells delicious. That rub, oh man, that rub is good. Let's give it a cut though. Whoa. Wow. This looks absolutely excellent. Wow. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that juice. Oh, man. I could tell this is going to be a home run. Well, if you like pork like me, you know what to make on your next cook. Because look at these chops, man. Woo! That's just awesome. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Oh, I caught a little bone here. Yeah, there's little, like, bone fragments you gotta watch out for when you cut this. But holy moly, this just looks outstanding. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Till next time.